With so many choices, which type of tea is best for you? Today, we embark on a journey through the delicious world of teas, exploring their diverse flavors and health benefits. Stay to the end as we delve into the world of tea and find the perfect brew for you. First off, meet green tea, the health guru in the world of teas. Known for boosting metabolism and aiding weight loss, it's also a rich source of antioxidants. Its subtle, refreshing flavor is a delight. If you're health conscious and love a light, refreshing drink, green tea could be your go-to brew. Next up, we have black tea, the strong and aromatic powerhouse. This robust brew is a health champion, improving gut health, reducing blood pressure and lowering blood sugar levels. If you're a fan of strong, full-bodied beverages, black tea might just be your cup of tea. Lastly, let's introduce white tea, the delicate and subtly sweet variety. This exquisite brew promotes skin health, reduces the risk of heart disease, and aids in weight loss. It's a symphony of delicate flavors that dance on your palate. If you prefer a delicate, subtly sweet drink, white tea could be your perfect match. So there you have it, a quick tour through the world of teas, from the antioxidant-rich green tea to the robust black tea and the delicate white tea. Each has its charm. Ultimately, the best tea is a matter of personal taste and health needs. Remember, the best tea for you is the one you enjoy the most. So go ahead, explore, and find your perfect brew. Please leave a like if you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you don't miss out by subscribing and tapping the notifications icon.